I'm going to be talking about the ARB Snorkel and also the Snorkel Upgrade head. Now, I'm going to talk a bit about the Snorkel. I was never really one to want one. I thought it stuck out a lot, and you know, heck, what are the chances of water crossing, right? Well, me and my wife, we love to go out on trails, and we did a 5,000-mile road trip. We usually sleep at a hotel for one night, and we camp the other night. So on the night that we're camping, we were on this dirt road trail. We're about to hit a very beautiful spot, and then there was a deep ditch with water in there. And it was just less than a mile away, and I couldn't cross it. I waited, and I saw a vehicle cross it eventually, and it was just right there. And I wish I had a snorkel after that so I can get to that spot. So I always wanted to be prepared. I never wanted to have that happen for me again. So I went ahead and got the ARB Snorkel. Also, the dirt from your tire, it usually gets picked up from underneath your wheel well right there. So with the Snorkel, you're picking up much better air up top right here. But with that said, another problem that came with the Snorkel, when I went out with my boys on trails, when there's a lot of sand or dirt that gets kicked up in the air, I'm usually in the back of the convoy, so I'm sucking all that air up top right here. And that was causing my air filter to still maintain a better overall dirt resistance, but I also knew I needed to get that solution fixed. So instead of turning the Snorkel head backward like I've seen some people do, which is ridiculous in my opinion, I went ahead and added the Snorkel Upgrade. Now with the Snorkel Upgrade, what it actually does is pretty cool. When it picks up the air from the bottom, we ran compressed air through that before, and you can see it vortexing and spinning inside. There's a low plastic piece that spins inside, and it actually kicks out the dirt through the end right there, which I'll show you guys in a bit. So what it does is the air that gets pushed up underneath right here, it's like a vacuum. When it spins, it sucks up, and what it does is it swings out any of the dirt and debris through here, and it keeps your air filter really clean. That is the advantages of having a Snorkel, and that's the reason why I did the Snorkel Upgrade. I think it looks much cooler as well instead of the protruding Snorkel. Let me know what you guys think.